guys, welcome back to my channel SLL by Malin. Today we are going to see how to fill in this second section of the mandala. Before jumping in, don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's get started. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to watch the grid making video and the first section of mandala making video. I'll give the link in the description below. Watch that first and then come back to this video. Now, for the materials, I'm going to use the same pen which I've used in the previous videos, in which 0.1 is used for detailing, 0.2 is used for outline, and 0.8 for filling the shades. So let's see how to use them. Now we are going to start with the pattern making. I'm going to use the same grid paper which I've used in the previous video. Also, I have said you how to make a DIY grid paper so you can make it by yourself. Here I'm using 0.3 fine liner for drawing the patterns. I'm just zooming it in. Yes, so there it goes. Patterns. I'm going to use 3 patterns for the second section as well. All 3 are petals, but then the detailings will vary. I'll teach you how to do that. So the first petal, here it goes. Don't forget, draw 2 outlines. For the detailing, what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to add a circle in the left corner and draw inverted teardrops like butterfly effect. The end result will look something like this. There is a slight change in this petals, that is, I'm just going to extend the petals downwards so that it will be easy for you to understand the exact demonstration of the pattern making. You will understand this while we are drawing the patterns in the mandala. Now just follow what I'm doing. Now for the detailing, I'm just going to add 2 circles, one in the top and the other in the bottom, and then draw an teardrop and then continue drawing 2 on the either side and then shade the negative space. the end result will look something like this. For the third pattern, I'm just going to add a circle in the center and draw teardrops all over it, forming a floral pattern. Fill in the extra spaces by just shading them. So this is how it looks at the end. So that's all guys, these are all the patterns we are going to use. So let's get started with the process of making the mandala. So we are going to make the first row of the second section. I'm going to draw the petal which we learnt earlier. Since this is little bigger, I'm going to draw one pattern in one grid. So the first row of the second section is now ready. We are going to the second row. Start drawing the petal from the previous one and end it in the next one. Now the second row is completed. We are moving on to the third row. So this is the final outline of the second section. We are done with all the 3 rows. Now we are going to fill in the patterns. For detailing, I'm going to use 0.1 fine liner. This was the one I was talking about. I'm going to use this for drawing the details. Now I'm just zooming it in so it will be clear for you. Now I'm going to draw the first pattern, the butterfly effect one, which we learnt earlier. This is the end of first row detailing. Now we are moving to the second row. Now draw the same pattern which we learnt earlier. Take a look at the patterns. You'll know why I have elongated the pattern down below. This was the reason. So this is the end of second row of the second session. Now we are going to the third row. Same way, draw the second outline and make the floral pattern which we learnt earlier. Don't forget to fill in the gaps by shading them. Yes guys, we are almost done. We are done with all the 3 patterns. Now we are going to fill in the negative space. I'm going to use my 0.8 fine liner and shade the negative space. So that's it guys, I have done with the shading. Also I have shaded the center part as well. It is your wish. You can do it or you can just skip that. Doing the mandala section wise not only makes it easier for you, also it gives a distinct look to your mandala. That's it guys, this is the end of our video. Hope you liked it. If so, like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will be very encouraging for me. Also leave your comments on the comment section below. Thank you so much.